Okay, in this class we will talk about nested if-else loop, else if. Alright, so for suppose a person who forgetted his password. So what happened? I just add right here, add hint. Okay, add any hint. So I add another condition. It is else if, for suppose my variable equal abc or any other string is a hint. Alright, this is a simple hint ddg. Then add alert your password is okay. Here just add another value of pass. For suppose you can see here I added a value into pass whatever my password. I add a value pass and call it here. Let's see, now I'm going to in class 7 and open it, and here I add wrong password. Password is wrong, add hint, and my hint is ddg. Your password is 123. And for suppose I write 123, password is right. So here you see that how to create nested loop. You can also create another condition. For suppose if you want to add I want to add another hint. For suppose block. Here I say that it is block code. And here I want to say that if a equal, if someone add any code here just like ccd, I'm going to, as you can see I made a mistake, that is why our color has been changed in atom source code editor. Now I add here alert you are blocked. Okay, coming up here, refresh it. If I add ccd, password is wrong, add hint. Now I'm going to call it block equals ccd. Here I want to add a number 1 2 3 4. Okay, someone add 1 2 3 4. It means that he wants to hack the password. That is why I said that you are blocked. Okay, and I don't want to call any. Refresh it. Now 1 2 3 4, and I haven't add any alert message in the right path. Now it is okay. Refresh it. 1 2 3 4. You are blocked. If I add wrong password or try to hack the password, I got an alert message, you are blocked. And if you want to check what mistake and how to correct the mistakes, so I can also check the mistake and correct the mistake in Google Chrome. Just type Control Shift and J. When you type Control Shift and J, as you see that element, source, network, you just click on console. For suppose I have any mistake here, just like this, and I want to check it. First of all, I want to refresh it. Now 1 2 3 4. Here I have a mistake in the code. Yes, it works, but because when I add wrong password here, it displayed me wrong means password is wrong. It skipped everything because I had a wrong password. So that is why if I make a mistake here and refresh it, here you can see a mistake has been taken. It says that at OK function on script is on 22 line. This is 22 line and I got a mistake here. That is why I find it out and refresh it, and I got no any mistake. In console section you can also check the result according to line. Okay, now I end this class. In next class we will talk about new topic. Have a good luck. Bye.